Hello there viewers, you are welcome to this platform again today. As usual, this is the platform where we share trading tips and also different kind of strategies as we have it available. So today, this is not new actually. When you look at the chart, you see that I'm on the daily chart now, and this is XAU USD, which is Gold Spot versus United States dollar. And I'm not going to take your time at all. As I said earlier, I've made videos using this particular line here, which is a 50 EMA. That's right. And on this particular 50 EMA, I've made video on how to trade, breakout, and retest using this particular 50 EMA, and also how to trade trend using this particular 50 EMA. Very, very important. Now, what I bring to you now is I want to show you how to really confirm. How are you going to know that you are really on point? This is talking about confluence confirmation. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about right away. So when you look at this is the chart here. That's right. When you look at from here, you see that we have a breakout here. From this down low, when you look at it from here, you see that we have the candle down there, which means it's finding a way to go up. All right. So if you are to go by trading breakout and retest, you see that this momentum candle here breaks upward the 50 EMA, which is the blue color, right? When it breaks, what you are going to look at is the previous high. This is the previous high. So when this breaks out like this, you are going to wait for it to come to that particular level, as you can see, to this particular level with it for you to hop in or for you to place a trade with the help of candlestick pattern. I've been saying this a while now. You need to have the knowledge of candlestick pattern or candlestick formations. We have some prominent candles that when you see them, they are really on point. So what I'm talking about is when you look at it carefully, this is the previous high here, all right? So when the market comes like this, it goes up and comes to the same level as you can see. Now, how will you be sure if you are on point? When you look at the 50 EMA right here, you see that when the market gets to that particular line, it comes a little below the 50 EMA. When you look at this red candle very well, and we have rejection there by leaving the wick behind below the line. And when it goes a bit higher, then it comes to the green candle formation there. When it comes there, it moves a bit lower the line, the blue line 50 EMA, before it now squeeze back up, leaving the candle down, as you can see now. So these two tails or wick shows that there is rejection on that particular 50 EMA, and that is exactly at this level here, which is the previous high there. All right, so if you are to enter this trade right here now, since you have a bounce twice on this particular line, the first red candle and the green candle rejection as well. So after this formation of the green candle there, you wait for it to close. When it closes, then the emergence of the second green candle, that is where you enter, precisely here. That is where you enter. So when you have your entry there, you set your SL right below the candle here, a pip below the two candles there for rejection. So when you hop in, you target your TP right here, because that is the high before coming to retest on the bounce on that particular 50 EMA. I think you understand it. So if you are trading trend, this is how you hop in and you take your TP right here. So when you take your TP, you wait to see what's going to happen again. So let me take you to these lines you are seeing here. This red line here, that is the horizontal line that I drew for the weekly analysis. And this blue line is for daily, which I'm on now. So the blue line represents, the blue horizontal line represents the daily trade or chart. That's for the analysis. And this yellow you are seeing here is for the 4-hour chart. All right. Now the essence of putting them there is I'm actually monitoring the bounce, how market is reacting to these lines. I do not just draw the lines there. I look at prominent movement in the market where we have bounces. And when you look at it very well from the chart, you see that the market is respecting some of these lines, as you can see, where it breaks low here, bounce on its back, it comes here again, bounce on it before breaking it down, then coming up again, as you can see. And right here, when it breaks, it bounces back here before coming here to bounce on this line. And when you look at as well, look at this place, look at this place, look at this place. All right. So that's the purpose of, after a bounce on it, I'm getting ready to open a trade. That is why you see the lines there. Now what brought me to this video is actually, how will you know if you're on point on your analysis or when to hop in a trade? So after the breakout that I explained here, right, you have a bounce right here with this pregnant candle here, right? The pregnant candle that you have there, that is inside bar. This candle here, the red and the green that I used for analysis previously, that is inside bar. And when you have it, it is certain that the market is moving towards there. If it is uptrend, as you can see, it's moving up. That's right. So after a bounce on this 50 EMA here, the market goes up to the peak there and coming back again to have a bounce there. And that is precisely the point I really want to talk about now. You have the previous bounce and also bounce here. So the one I circle now, I will say it is an area of confluence. What do I mean by that is you have several reasons for the market to go uptrend at that particular area. So let me do the analysis and you see now what I'm really talking about for you to know that you are on point. All right. So what I want to do now is, first, confirmation is that this market bounced on 50 EMA. As you can see there, it bounced on the blue line right there. That is first confirmation. Second confirmation is that it bounced at the same time on the 50 EMA and this my blue daily horizontal line, as you can see, making two confirmation. And the third confirmation is that when you look at the candlestick formation there, this momentum candle there, the green one, we have it as bullish engulfing candle because it engulfs that mini wick candle inside it. As you can see, that is making three confirmations, showing that this is an area of confluence. Now the last confirmation is that when I draw, or let me say if I draw my Fibonacci retracement or line now from there, and you draw it to the peak, yeah. Now let's look at it very carefully. You will see that we have the same bounce on this 50 area. As we normally know that when a market is retracing or trying to retest, it bounces on 50 or this golden level. I guess you agree with me. So when you look at it now, the fourth confirmation now is we have this same market bouncing on the 50 level of the Fibonacci retracement. So this is how you know that you are on point when you are doing your analysis. Precisely when I'm using this particular 50 EMA to trade. So I normally have my patience right beside me. I don't rush the market. I don't push it. I don't try to squeeze or manage myself. No. If I open my MetaTrader, look at it, and I don't see the criteria for me to enter, I just quit it and close it. I don't feel like let me quickly take a no. I don't do that, because if I do and it goes against me, it's my fault. And where is the money for you to be burning, blowing all the time? So even if you have the criteria met, $2, I bet you can move it to any amount of money. $2, you can move it from 2 to 100 any when you have the criteria too. So what I try to show you here is confirmation. At this particular area here, you can see the point that I proved to you now, that the market respected that particular area as area of confluence. So as it is now, I'm waiting for a bounce on this my weekly line, the red line, as you can see. That is what I'm waiting for. So when I see a bounce on this, the market is calm now. When I see a bounce or notice a bounce there, I'm going to hop in only with the help of candlestick formation. So let me go to 4-hour time frame now and see what is happening. Now right here, as you can see now, you have the red candle trying to come down, and when I see that it bounces on that red horizontal line there, as you can see, and I see a kind of candle that forms right after the red candle, if it is green candle and it leaves rejection or wick on this particular red line here, which is my weekly horizontal line, then I'm going to hop in and see where it takes me to later. All right, so this is all about I have for you. You can watch my previous videos and see how effective this 50 EMA is to trade trend, to trade retest. All right, to trade retest. I've made 2 videos on that. Very, very effective and profitable if you can strictly wait and be patiently wait for criteria to hop in before you open a trade. So watch out again on another video that is coming soon, and that is going to be on strategy of stacking, how to stack or how to place trade using stacking. That is, you open many positions and you see all of them how all of them will click. So that is the video that's coming next. So stay tuned on this channel. If you have not subscribed to the channel and the video is the video is okay by you, it helps you, kindly subscribe to the channel if you are new.